Welcome to Causeway Bay, the heart of Hong Kong's retail scene. This bustling district offers a mix of luxury boutiques, trendy fashion outlets, and local markets. Whether you're a fashionista or bargain hunter, Causeway Bay has something for everyone. In this guide, we'll reveal the 10 secrets to elevate your shopping experience. Navigate with ease using the MTR system. Times Square is a shopper's paradise with over 230 stores. Sogo offers a taste of Japan with 13 floors of retail therapy. Fashion Walk is perfect for trendsetters. Explore local markets for bargain finds. Tech enthusiasts will love the gadget hubs in Causeway Bay. Bookworms should visit Page 1 in Hyson Place. Refuel at the food courts or outdoor dining areas. Treat yourself to beauty and wellness services. Enjoy late-night shopping in the lively district. FAQs, best time to shop, weekday mornings or during major holidays. Causeway Bay caters to all budgets. Credit cards are widely accepted. Causeway Bay is safe for shopping at night. Enjoy tax-free shopping in Hong Kong. Causeway Bay is a vibrant hub that offers a diverse shopping experience. With these secrets, you're ready to explore this retail wonderland. From luxury boutiques to local markets, Causeway Bay has something for everyone. So put on your comfy shoes and get ready to dive into the exciting world of Causeway Bay. Happy shopping!